Good morning, everyone, and welcome to day 23 of the Alaskan adventure. Today we're headed from Tok down to Haines, Junction, so we'll be passing back into Canada on our way to Haines tomorrow. Anyways, I hope you all have a great day and enjoy the ride. Take care.